Having ambition and setting goals is a massive part of who you are. So do not take it lightly, whether your heart set on running a marathon, starting a business, or dropping a dress size. Everything is achievable. It just takes the right mindset. Choose goals that inspire you. Set goals that you are personal and will inspire you to reach new heights. Do not follow the crowd and mimic the ambitions of friends. Pursue something you are passionate about, something that genuinely interests you. This helps create a sense of purpose that will motivate you to stop thinking and start doing. Be balanced. It's easy to get obsessed with goal setting. You are hooked and will do anything to get where you want to be. However, this carries the risk of burnout. Be realistic with your aims from the very beginning. Having drive is good, but remember that you are also human and need rest and recuperation like everybody does. Break it down. Setting goals and achieving them is hard. There are no shortcuts or easy routes, but that's what makes the experience so rewarding. If you start to feel overwhelmed, break everything down, not just in terms of time but action points too. Specifically, outlining what you want to achieve, when and by what means will make your goals feel much more attainable. Embrace failure. Goal setting rarely runs smoothly. You will hit stumbling blocks that make you question why you attempted in the first place. But that's part of it, and the sooner you accept that, the better. Rather than letting failure bring you down, acknowledge that it's happened and learn from it. Take note of what worked well, what didn't, and move on. It will make you a stronger goal setter. Track your progress. A huge incentive to make the finish line can be seeing how far you have come already. If your weight loss success has suddenly hit a standstill and you have tempted to fall back into old habits, remind yourself of how well you have done up to this point. Visualize the end result. Losing sight of the end result will encourage you to veer off, of course. One of the best ways to stay motivated is by visualizing the change you want to see. Make this image clear in your mind, and when you do hit your target, treat yourself, you deserve it. Thank you so much.